What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos from your camera roll on iPhone through the Photos app. Now this is actually super simple to do, as in the past you weren't able to do this, but Apple recently added a function where it saves your deleted photos for 30 days before actually permanently deleting them, and it's super helpful if you accidentally delete something or you delete something and want to come back to it later. It's really easy to do, so let me just simply show you how to do it. So obviously, in order to do this, you're going to want to open up your iPhone Photos app. And what you're going to do on the bottom screen there's 4 different options. You're going to be hitting the albums option. It is the second to the left one. And it's going to come up with all these albums that are in your camera roll. And what you're going to do is just scroll past those and scroll all the way to the bottom there. You could see that there's just a bunch of other albums and a bunch of junk. You're going to get right past that, and you're looking for media types, where it has a bunch of different options there as far as the different media. You could sort your media through there. But at the bottom there, you're going to see an option for the recently deleted photos. And you are going to click on that. And what it's going to do here is it's going to bring up my album of my recently deleted photos. Now, I wiped out all of my photos except one for the purpose of this video, but any other photos you've deleted in the past 30 days will show up here. And I just have the one photo here, but you could easily just click on it and then either recover it or permanently delete it. This is also a helpful tool if you're running out of space on your iPhone and you have a lot of photos on there, but you delete them and the space seemingly isn't clearing. That's because the space is now stored in your recently deleted folder. But if you head over there and delete all of those photos in there, that is what is going to actually clear the space for you. That's all I got for you today, though. If you had any questions or were confused on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.